Good morning. This is Wizzy Brown, and this is our backyard bug hunt for today. And this one is, again, on tropical milkweed, like our previous posts that we did. Found multiple things on this one. So this one is for today covering spider mites. So this, if you look, I'm going to zoom in. You see the little tiny mites moving around there? Those are spider mites. And spider mite infestations are going to really explode at hot, dry times of the year, but they do start in earlier times of the year, like right now, which it's May. And you can see that they cause damage by feeding on the foliage. So these do have mandibles. They're going to rasp that foliage, and you can see that they kind of make that speckled appearance on the leaf there. The other thing that you can see is the webbing that they are creating on the underside of the leaf. So when they first start their populations, it is going to be on the underside of foliage, but as their population increases as the season goes along and there are more, they will expand that webbing to cover more parts of the plant to give them more room to, have and feed and things like that. So spider mites can come in a variety of colors, and you can see these ones are like a reddish color with some yellowish orange legs. Very cool insects, but these are not something that you really want to have on your plants because they will cause that damage. So right now is prime time to take care of these early in the season. And what I would probably use for these is an insecticidal soap solution. You could also use other less toxic products like a spinosad or azadirachtin, which is also known as neem. You could also use a plant-derived thing like pyrethrins or pyrethrum, or you can use an orange oil in cooler times of the year, or a horticultural oil. You don't want to use oils when it gets really hot, but you can use them earlier in the season. So when you're treating for spider mites, key here is going to be treating the undersurface of the leaf, because that is where the population is. If you spray the plant from the top, that treatment is not going to get to where those mites are located, and so it's not really going to help you out.